You wanna build a lesbian? Yes, I did. With your dad. The children I didn't swallow. Is your daddy's favorite? I remember the way he eats me.
Oh.
The food, I mean. The food. I love you, my daughter. Don't go to work. Please. Help me. Help. Please, help me. Are you gay? No. Are you lesbian? No. Any of the alphabets? No. Okay, talk to me after Pride, July 4, 12 a.m. Okay.
Take her to the hospital.
Who ate my chipotle? There's something mysterious happening in this house. I think it's a ghost.